Hello, my name is Otasoyo Sende, and this is my Lab 3A Fanuc robot video demonstration. So this is the main routine, and these are the called subroutines: pick path, place path, and this is the loop. So I'm going to switch to auto mode. Now in auto mode, I'm going to click on cycle start. And you can see it goes from pick to placing the parts. Instead of using the weight DI 101 and 102, because I don't want to simulate it turning on and off here, I just put a delay of 3 seconds. So it goes joints, joints, linear, joints, and the offsets are there. For the pick part, I used word offsets, and for the placing of the part, I'm using 2 offsets. Let's see it run it once again. Notice it goes down slightly, comes back up. After the delay of 3 seconds, goes back down to pick a part, and it runs continuously. Let's get this on a better angle. Thank you very much.